The pain I see in the current marketplace is I find a lot of people confused. They're seeing consumer confidence fall through the floor. They're seeing the cost of living going the opposite direction. They're seeing mortgages continue to rise. They're seeing the property market and sentiment continue to fall down. And I see a lot of uncertainty. I see a lot of people unsure of what to do. They realise that the heady days are past. Now I need to equip myself for a new season. What is that? How do I do that? I'm completely unaware of where I should go next. And that's what Live Rich brings to you. It's the confidence, it's the surety to say, okay, here's where things are. Here's the economic state of the nation. Here's the economic state globally. How do I capitalise? How do I push in? How do I penetrate these particular strategies, capitalise on them, and make a killing on the way out? That's what Live Rich brings for you.